This 2022 Forest River Impression 315 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a Paramount interior, sleeps 11, spare tire kit, smoke detector, TV antenna, skylight, oven, self-contained, slide-out, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Impression 315 megabytes is 10,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.